So, if I remove one of these capacitors, I've got to go to the bottom. So I'll finish taking this off. So, if you select a capacitor you want to desolder, then you get some kind of pen. So if you get this one, here are the legs. So I'm going to circle that one, so I know which one I'm going to do. Yeah. Got my capacitor circled with a soldering iron. Same again really. Take a big blob and take it to each point. The bigger ones are harder since their legs are at different points. If you've got a big blob in the middle, you should be able to take it off. So you want to heat it up, grab it with something such as tweezers or pliers, and you just want to keep these points melted at the top or the bottom of the board, and keep pulling with your pliers. Good if you can clamp your board down, since it will move as it's in the way. Jiggling it helps, it seems. This one's taking a while. And there it is. You want to make sure you've still got the legs on the capacitor, because if you don't, you won't have anything to solder to, therefore it's useless. You want to make sure that not too much heat goes into the capacitor, otherwise it will blow.